The retirement planning workshops are really for people in their 50s, 60s, and 70s who have already stopped working for a paycheck or are about to stop working for a paycheck in the next year or two, what we would otherwise call retirement. And the people that come to these workshops are typically what I call do it yourselfers, even if that's by accident through good habits. Here's what I mean by that: they have been managing their careers, they've been living within their means, they've been saving money, even if it's only in their 401ks. They've been staying out of debt. They might still have a mortgage. Maybe they've raised a kid or two or three or four or five. And now they are going to be going from working and saving money to not working and spending money. And that can be a little terrifying. So, my goal in this particular workshop is to help you gather all that information that you need in order to start to do a solid plan for retirement. We're going to cover things like what's your vision for retirement, what's your spending plan look like, why you should get your estate planning done, cover what your investments are. We're going to talk about how you're going to manage long-term care expenses. We're going to talk about Medicare, Social Security. And my goal is to give you this high-level overview so that you can start doing really solid planning and increase your chances of success. This is an educational workshop. Nothing's going to be sold, and I look forward to seeing you there.